Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pizza Hut breadsticks. First, gather your ingredients like 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and 1 cup of warm water. Activate the yeast with a pinch of sugar in the warm water. Then, combine the flour and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Once the yeast is foamy, add it to the dry ingredients and mix until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is crucial for a perfect texture. Next, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. Place the kneaded dough into a greased bowl, turning it once to ensure it's fully coated. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Allow the dough to rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has visibly doubled in size. Patience here yields fluffy breadsticks. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down to release the air. Roll the dough into a rectangle, roughly 12 inches by 9 inches, on a lightly floured surface. Using a pizza cutter or knife, slice the dough into 12 even strips, each about 1 inch wide. Arrange these strips on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, until golden brown. While your breadsticks are still warm from the oven, it's time for the signature flavor. Melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and stir in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Generously brush this aromatic garlic butter mixture over each breadstick. For that authentic finish, sprinkle a dash of Parmesan cheese and a pinch of dried parsley over the top. Serve these delicious homemade breadsticks immediately with your favorite marinara sauce. Enjoy your efforts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.